Okay, here we go. I'm going to try to demonstrate the problem here. We have a 6971 tongue from China America that's been returned by a customer. Here's the 308 series buckle. This is a starburst buckle. When you clip them together, the slow, steady, straight pull, it passes just fine. But if there's any deflection in any direction, with very little pull, it comes right apart. And that's with a starburst buckle. Here's with a GM buckle, which is really the same buckle. It's just a different cover. Again, comes right apart. With the standard 308 tongue, it doesn't matter how you deflect it, it won't come apart. And the issue, and you can actually see it with the naked eye, is that the China America tongue is significantly thinner. These are 2 millimeters thick. These are 2.3 millimeters thick, and that 0.3 millimeter thickness difference makes the difference.